Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off audio and video calls on X. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up X, then click on the message symbol on the bottom right. Once you're on here, click on the settings cog on the top right. Then you should see near the middle, enable audio and video calling. So all you need to do obviously is just toggle that off. But you could also change the settings on here. You could add people in your address book. You could change it to people you follow. You could select verified users. And you can also select everyone. So obviously it's up to you what you want to pick on there. So that's how you can turn off audio and video calls on X. Thanks for watching.